The resurrection of Jesus Christ stands at the very heart of the Christian faith. It is not just a story of hope, it is the foundation upon which Christianity is built. Without the resurrection, the message of the gospel would lose its power, and the promise of eternal life would remain unfulfilled. The event that changed everything. After being crucified and buried, Jesus' followers were filled with fear, confusion, and sorrow. The one they believed to be the Messiah had died a painful and humiliating death. But on the third day, something extraordinary happened. Something that would forever change the course of history. The tomb was found empty. Women who went to anoint his body were the first witnesses. Angels declared, "He is not here. He has risen." Soon after, Jesus began appearing to his disciples, alive, speaking, and even eating with them. These encounters transformed their fear into bold faith, proof of divine power. The resurrection is seen as the ultimate demonstration of God's power over sin and death. Throughout history, many great leaders have lived and died, but only Jesus rose again. His resurrection confirms his divine identity and validates his teachings. It fulfills prophecies written centuries before his birth and proves that he is indeed the Son of God. The foundation of Christian faith. The entire message of Christianity rests on this miracle. As emphasized by the Apostle Paul, if Christ has not been raised, our preaching is useless and so is your faith. The resurrection is not just a theological concept. It is a living reality that gives believers confidence in God's promises. Because Jesus lives, in believers have hope. Hope of forgiveness, hope of new life, hope of eternal salvation, a message of hope for the world. The resurrection is more than a past event. It is a present promise. It reminds us that no situation is beyond God's power. Just as Jesus overcame death, we too can overcome fear, despair, and hopelessness. In a world filled with uncertainty, the resurrection offers unshakable assurance. Death is not the end, and life has a greater purpose. The resurrection of Jesus is rightly called the greatest miracle in history. It is the turning point of humanity, the victory of life over death, and the ultimate proof of God's love for the world. Because he rose, we have hope. Because he lives, we can live.